Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Revolut card step by step clearly. First, make sure you have your physical Revolut card with you. Check that your Revolut account is already created and verified in the Revolut app. Update the Revolut app to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. Open the Revolut app and log in with your phone number and passcode. On the home screen, tap the Cards section to see your available cards. If you do not see your physical card, tap Add New and select Physical Card. Enter the required details if the app asks you to link your delivered card. Locate the last 4 digits on your physical card to confirm you are selecting the correct one. Tap on the physical card to open the card settings page. Look for the option that says Activate Card or Activate Physical Card. If the app asks for a code, find the CVV on the back of your card and enter it carefully. If the app asks to scan, allow camera permission and scan the card when prompted. Wait a few seconds for the app to confirm that activation is in progress. If activation does not complete, check your internet connection and try again. Now, to fully activate the physical card for in-store use, you usually need to make a chip-in PIN payment. Go to a store and choose a small purchase you can pay for with the card. At the payment terminal, insert the card into the chip reader, not contactless. When asked, enter the PIN that is shown in your Revolut app under Card Details. If you do not know your PIN, open the card in the app and tap View PIN. Confirm the payment and wait for the transaction to be approved. After a successful chip-in PIN payment, contactless payments are typically enabled automatically. Return to the Revolut app and check the card status to ensure it shows as active. In the card settings, make sure payments, contactless, and magnetic stripe are set the way you want. If you want extra security, enable location-based security and spending limits. If the card still will not activate, freeze and unfreeze the card in the app to refresh it. If you entered the PIN incorrectly too many times, reset the PIN in the app or follow the on-screen instructions. If activation fails because the card is not recognized, double-check you are using the correct account and card. When nothing works, use the in-app help chat to contact Revolut support with your card details ready. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.